Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angeli and I'm back with another video. Today's video is about braided protective hairstyles for black women. Trust me, these hairstyles are trendy hairstyles and you are going to love them. By the end of this video, you are going to be inspired by one of these hairstyles for your new look. So if you are new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. I really appreciate it. Okay, and please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share this video with your friends and your family so that they will also be inspired by any of these hairstyles for their new look as well. So currently I want to share with you something I have noticed or I have learned currently. Okay, so I got to know about mini braids. I don't know if some of you have heard of mini braids, but mini braids, it's a kind of braid that you braid with your natural hair, either natural or relaxed hair, or a braid that you braid without adding attachment or whatsoever, but you braid it in braids, okay, but mini or however you would like to braid it. And what is so nice about this hairstyle is that you can use it to rock your wigs or whatever. Okay, all you have to do is to wear your wig cap, and then you wear your wig on it and it will lay so flat, just like cornrows. I'm saying that because I am currently rocking one right now, and guys, I have found my hairstylist for my mini braids. This is the first time I went to this lady to get my hair braided. Fun fact, I used to see her shop whenever I'm passing to the market, okay? And mostly, her shop is not like a shop, but this time she has done a shade somewhere where she braids hair, okay? I used to see her whenever I take my son to school or I'm going to the market. I pass the same route where the shop is, okay? So I'm like, this lady, I don't know, I haven't seen anybody braiding around this area before. Okay, fine. So I was scrolling through TikTok one time and then I saw people mini braids. They said it helps with length retention, it helps with thickness, and it helps with hair growth overall. Okay, and all these people saying this have receipts to support or to back whatever they are saying. And guys, I clogged it up, okay? And I decided to read more and watch more videos on it. So I went to TikTok and I searched mini braids for relaxed hair to see how it will look on my relaxed hair, because I don't want it to look bony and make my head look like my hair is unhealthy or something, like it will not look full or something. I just wanted to see other people's own, okay? So I read, watched more videos, and I got clogged up or whatever. Like I got so interested in this hairstyle because my hair used to be so thick. Lately I'm not getting time for my hair. Even though I do my hair by myself, I don't used to do all this treatment I used to do before, okay, because I'm so busy with a lot of stuff, okay? So I'm not able to do all those things, and I realized that my hair is growing, length is increasing, but then the body is reducing. So for me, I would like the more length and then more thickness. So I decided to try this hairstyle. Currently, the one on my head is 4 days old as at the time I'm recording this video, and as a beginner I have decided to keep it in for a month. Okay, so after a month I will unbraid, but I won't go back to the lady again. Okay, initially I wanted to do it myself, but I don't want to just do anything shabby like I know I can braid, but then when I'm doing it for myself, the parts are not going to be neat, okay? And I don't want to be walking around with something like that. That would not even encourage me to keep the hair for a very long time. So I decided to go to a professional. So I remember this lady I used to see on my way all the time. So I decided to go to her. When I went to her, she was friendly, she was nice, she welcomed me, started, and guys, the parts are so crispy, and so neat. Like, I haven't braided my hair for someone to do such parts for me, okay? And she didn't charge me much, like I have another colleague at work that also is interested in these mini braids, and I will take her there, okay? Because the one she did previously, the parts is not as neat as my own, and I know when she sees mine, she's going to fall in love, and she will tell me to take her there, and I will surely take her there, guys. So what I learned from these mini braids is that they said, first of all, you braid your hair, and for you to get the body, especially if you have thin hair, when after you if you are relaxed after you wash your hair, do not use heat, okay? Hair dry your hair. So when you realize that, I realized that anytime you hair dry your hair gets more body, it looks more thicker. So immediately you wash your hair and you hair dry your hair, you go to the salon and get it braided. Or if you want to braid it yourself, then you braid it. That way you get the body, it will not look bony and all. If you are natural hair and you also want to try the mini braids, after you wash your hair, blow dry your hair, okay, so that it will increase, it will stretch your hair and then give a body and the length as well, so your mini braids will not look bony, okay? One thing about mini braids I've realized is that if you are natural especially, it will not shrink your hair, unlike twists that will shrink your hair and make it look shorter. And mini braids will not do that. Mini braids will give you the body and all. That is if you do according to what I've just said right now, your mini braids are not going to look bony. They are going to have a lot of body and they will look like you've added extension to them. So the second thing you do is that you wash your hair according to how busy or less busy you get. You can get, some say they wash their hair weekly, some say they wash their hair every 2 weeks, some say they wash their hair every 4 weeks, okay? So depending on how long you want to keep the mini braids in, if you want to keep it in for a month, you can wash your hair every 2 weeks. And then the third thing they also do is that some say every 3 days or 4 days or 3 times in a week, they moisturize your hair. So you can just look at the porosity of your hair or how dry your hair can get, then you moisturize your hair accordingly, okay? So this one is not just like fixed something, just use your discretion and what works best for you and your hair, okay? And then the fourth thing is that you have to massage and oil your scalp after you moisturize your hair. And the moisturization of their hair, some people say they use water, some people mix water with conditioner, others also mix do clove water, this herbal water, sorry for the noise, others also do this herbal water and then they spray it on their hair. I have decided to do a fenugreek, cloves and rosemary water and then be spraying it on my hair anytime I want to moisturize. So on moisturization day, I'll just spray the cloves, fenugreek and rosemary water into my hair first. Then I will go in with my leave-in conditioner, and after my leave-in conditioner, then I'll go in with my oil. Then after that, I'll oil my scalp and massage it very well. And then fifth point is that you always have to keep your ends protected, okay? Because your ends are the oldest part of your hair and they can easily break off if you don't moisturize it very well, okay? So what you have to do is that you use a scrunchie and then you put the hair up in a bun. Okay, that is if most of the time that can be like most of the time. Make sure that your hands are protected, or do a style that the ends of your hair will get protected. Okay, and then what else? Yes, then the last thing is that they said that whenever you want to take down the mini braids, you have to find time. So don't do it on a day that you know you're going to get busy, or you have a lot of things to do during that day. Okay, you have to take your time, especially if you've kept the mini braids in more than a month. Okay, you need to take your time, because at this point, depending on your hair texture and porosity, your hair can get matted and you can have a lot of buildup. Okay, so you have to take your time. So whenever it's time for you to take down your hair, you mix water, or you make sure you moisturize your hair very well. Then right after you moisturize your hair, you take a tail comb, then you use it to braid your hair very well, gently and patiently, gently and carefully. Yeah, gently and carefully. Okay, and then after you remove each braid, you comb it out and make sure that you finger detangle with your hands so that you will be able to separate the matted hair. Don't go in with a comb yet. Make sure you separated all the matted hair very well before you go in with your comb. Okay, then yes, you comb. So you comb each braid you take down, and then you braid it down. That is if you are refreshing your braid. But if you are not refreshing and you are taking them all down, you still comb out each braid. After you don't take everything out before you comb all of them together again, otherwise you're going to lose a lot of hair. That means that the protective hairstyle we did was of no use and cost 90. You get what I mean? So if you've heard about mini braids, let me know in the comment section. Share with us what you know, what you do, and what you do that's helping and all of that. And secondly, the last thing is that they said that if you have your hair is breaking a lot, one of the days that you'll be doing your wash days, do a spray, tea water, okay, and either green tea or black tea or coffee water, and spray it on your hair, cover it up. Then after that, you go in with your shampoo and conditioner, then you moisturize your hair and then dry it. Okay, so if this was helpful, don't forget to give me a like, share, and leave a comment about your experience with mini braids, and I'll catch you guys in my next video with more tips and tips. Is that even a word? Anyway, I love you guys. Bye.